Welcome to another episode of WP Daily. So today we are going to start on a new topic about creating a WordPress website using the local. So why I'm using local? I'm a big fan of XAMPP, which is really great to create a development environment for WordPress or PHP application development. Recently I found that local is much more intuitive for WordPress development, so I switched from XAMPP to local. It's pretty convenient to use. You just need to download the software. If you're using Mac, they will have a different version for Windows also. As a plugin developer, it is really important for me to test my plugin into different environment, different WordPress version, different MySQL version. I have been tested this BWL Knowledge Base Manager plugin quite easily in different PHP version without any kind of issue, and it basically helped me a lot to find simple bugs in the PHP upper version, so I can easily fix them and deliver to the customer. So after installing everything, you will see that kind of a screen. Now we are going to create a new website. Click on this plus sign and it's gonna show you some options in here. I will continue with the basic settings and create a new site. Press continue. So I'm going to create a site which will contain all sort of plugin development stuff. Press continue. You can choose custom settings. If you want to test your application in PHP 7.4.3, then you can change it in here. But don't worry, you can easily switch from one PHP version to another PHP version. That is the main reason why I shifted from XAMPP to local, because in XAMPP it's not very easy to switch from older version to the newer version. So I prefer to switch to local. That basically helped me to test my application in different environment. You can also choose the Apache or Nginx. By default it uses the Nginx, but you can also test your application in Apache also. Here is the database version. You can switch also the database, but I'm going to keep everything as default and simply press continue. Now, like the WordPress regular interface, we have to add the username as an installing the site in local, so I do not need to think about too much about the security, and then simply click the add site. It will take a little bit of time to add the site. Now the site is ready. We click on the open site. So our site is ready. Now if we go to the WP admin and just add the username, which is admin, and the password is super complex password, the admin, and there we go. Everything is ready. Now you can install the WordPress themes, WordPress plugins like you do with the WordPress. One more thing that I would like to show you, database. Just click on the open adminer and there you will get everything in here. Show the data, developments. You can edit the data. Okay, just simply change it, press save. If you go to the settings, you will see the data in here. So you can do everything in here. I hope that helps, and let me know if you need any information about local in the comment section. Thank you.